Guys, so today I wanted to film an unboxing of the Moterm B6 agenda cover, and this is in the color Litchi Taupe. So I did order this off of Amazon, and it comes with this really cute packaging. And this is what the box looks like. So this is a really nice, sturdy box. And it has like this really beautiful velvet pouch. Oh, this is so nice. So I think I mentioned this already. I did order this off of Amazon, and it was in stock. When I saw it, I knew that I just had to grab it. So this is what the cover looks like. So this is the inside. So you have a bunch of slots here. You have a pocket here, two pockets here, two pockets here, and then a little, I guess it's a secretarial pocket with a pen loop, the back pocket as well, and these two little tassel thingies, and this is the back of it. So this was, I want to say it was like $40 or so. Maybe it was like $41, or maybe it was like $40 and some change. So yes, I think it's definitely a great value, a great deal. Such amazing quality. It smells like leather. There's no chemical smell whatsoever. The quality of it is just so nice. It's like really nice and thick, and like literally there's, I don't know, it's perfect for what you get. I think it's just, I can't wait to use this. So I did pick this up in the cream croc, which came from AliExpress. I also picked it up in the lychee white and the taupe color. So I'll probably be doing a lychee white unboxing as well. I just filmed my cream croc unboxing, and then I just filmed this taupe unboxing. So yeah, so I'm just all termed out. I don't know, I think just for like the value and for the price and everything that you get, it's such a good deal. I am using this for my mini happy planner. I'll probably be doing a video showing you guys like how I set it up and stuff. And yeah, so I'm so excited. So yeah, I can't wait to use this and like change it out and just, I don't know. I think this is coming off a lot lighter on camera than it is in person. I would definitely describe this color as like a more of a sandy color. And I think I'll also film another video where I do a comparison of the three leathers, like the cream croc, the taupe, and the lychee white, because I feel like it's really hard to tell in photos, I think, like the differences in them. So if you are new to the Moterm world and you kind of like, you know, I feel like those are the three most popular shades. Like definitely taupe is really popular, lychee white is definitely popular, and then the cream croc I think is like the new craze. But yeah, so that concludes my unboxing. I can't wait to start using these planners, set them up, do all that kind of stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.